Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Jaguar XE key fob. This is a straightforward task you can easily do yourself at home. You will need just two simple items: a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clear, well-lit area to work in. The entire procedure should take you no more than 5 minutes from start to finish, saving you a trip to the dealership. Now let's get started by opening your key fob. First, find the small release button located on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can begin to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to use excessive force. With the key fob now open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Using your small flathead screwdriver, carefully pry out the old CR 2032 coin cell battery. Once removed, take your new battery and insert it into the compartment. Ensure the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one, for proper function. Almost done. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until it locks firmly into place. Finally, it is time to test your newly re-energized key fob. Walk over to your vehicle and check if the lock and unlock functions are working correctly. You should be all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.